You know, we use this term Renaissance engineer, right? And what we mean is we want them to be Renaissance people. We want them to know lots of things. We want them to be interested in lots of things. We want them to be interesting.
They are getting good engineering background as well as the soft skill from the liberal arts curriculum, so it's good for them.
I've gotten to take apart engines in my classes. I've got to 3D print many things. I even printed a little 3D coin for my nephews just for fun. We got to calculate gravity in one lab, and I've built an air mattress pump, which never thought I would do that, so very cool.
The curriculum here can be very rigorous, and having just the comfort to be able to go to your professor and be like, hey, can you help me with this? And they will go and sit down and work with you and be able to just help you through it any step of the way.
It's a two-way process when we talk with them. So initially we try to help them and guide them, then we learn from them.
It is kind of this small group of students, and that we all kind of know each other. We can look to each other for help, and that we can look to our professors for help. You know, open door policy, we can walk in, they can help us, we can even help them too.
Meeting all the engineering professors really brought me into the program, seeing the 3D printers, all the labs, and actually I've always been interested in physics, and getting to see the physics labs were very interesting, a lot of hands-on experiments.
Our job is to put students in a position to be successful. So that is, the students succeed, they own it. But we put them in the best position possible to do that.